We're in the process of converting this 45-foot shipping container into a 2-bedroom luxury container home. Now I'm going to walk you inside of the unit and I'll kind of walk you through the spaces so you can get an idea of what we're going to be doing. So right over here is actually where the main entry door is going to be. So we got some nice tall modern windows going down the left and right side. That'll be a 3-light modern entry door. Across from it is going to be a 7-foot wide or 8-foot wide by 7-foot tall glass garage door. 2 big old 5x5 windows to the left and right of that. It's all going to be a view of just an awesome scene up in Colorado in the mountains. To this side, we're actually going to have the kitchen right here to the left of this window. Little 6-foot kitchen. Over here is going to be a 2nd bedroom. So a little bit of a smaller bedroom, but with 2 really nice windows to capture views outside. And then going back this direction, we are going to have the bathroom located to the right of this window. A nice little 4-foot by 7-foot bathroom. There'll be a hallway that runs through right where this window is. And back here is actually going to be the primary bedroom. So where those container doors are, we actually going to remove those. There'll be a huge window there, and should be a real nice little bedroom in the back. Now a couple things about the exterior just to share with you as we continue to get you updates on this is it is a high cube container, so 9'6" tall. Half of the rooftop is going to actually have a rooftop deck on, actually on this half. The other half of the rooftop is going to be all solar panels. So if you're someone that's looking to DIY or buy a container home, I'm going to put some more information down below in the description. You can check that out. We have all kinds of resources, courses, and catalogs to explore finished container homes, get inspiration, and I would love to connect with you more.